Hi, I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about how detoxing can help with cellulite. Cellulite is adipose tissue, which is fat tissue, with liquid and toxins that are stored in the body. When someone consumes lots of toxic substances, the body is highly motivated to keep those toxins away from the vital organs. So it will push them into territories away from the vital organs, which is why women typically see cellulite in the backs of their thighs, in their buttocks, and behind their arms. The body aims to push this toxic matter into areas far, far away from the vital organs. So when we start to detoxify the body is able to release the toxins throughout the body, releasing the cellulite and leaving you with beautiful, firm, lovely, healthy skin and tissue. To further support the elimination of cellulite while you're detoxifying, I highly encourage the use of a body brush, a rebounder, and, if possible, an infrared sauna. The more you can sweat and the more you can encourage the lymph system to mobilize the accumulated toxicity from the body, the more success you're going to have and the faster the cellulite will go away.